Hi guys, you made it to your last week, so just a few days left. That's exciting. Summer break is on the way. All right, two things that are going on this week, your discussion and final exam. For your discussion, this is the only week of the entire quarter where you do not have to list a reference. What you're being asked to do is completely personal reflection, and that does not need a reference. Up till this point, we did want to back up our opinions on certain topics. Always using a reference. This is your one chance that you don't have to deal with all that APA stuff. So make sure that you fill that out with a little bit of thought behind it. Give yourself a good paragraph. I want to make sure that you are actually getting something out of this course, and this is one of the ways that I get to see what you think and how you grew over this quarter. All right, you'll need to do a reply to. So one reply. Make sure that's in by Friday. The Module 11 final exam. If you haven't already taken a look at the review sheet, I highly recommend you do that soon. It's long. This is what it looks like. It looks very familiar because the first half of this is the same review as your midterm. So Module 1 through 5-ish are all review. If you use this document to study for your midterm, you've got that part already done. Excuse me. Then Module 6 on are the later topics, the last half of the course, and your final exam is mostly on modules 6 through 10. So it is a cumulative exam. That means it touches on everything from day 1 until the end of the course, but you will see that there's a bigger focus on the last half of the material. So make sure that you get a chance, excuse me, make sure that you take the time to go through every single one of these sections and just make sure you have a good understanding before you log in and take that exam, because when you do, that's it. You get one chance. It's 60 multiple choice questions. There are a couple true false. It is timed for 60 minutes. That's not allowing a lot of time to look up answers or to try to figure out what the best answer is. So make sure you have a really good understanding and that you have a very quiet personal time to take that exam. Minimize interruptions. There's no second chances. And then also, speaking of second chances, if you wait until the very last day, if you wait until Friday at 11 o'clock to take this exam and you have some kind of technical error, right? So your internet goes out or there's a storm and knocks your power out, that's too bad, right? And don't wait until the last minute. We will not be accepting anything after 11:59 p.m. on Friday. So don't wait till the last minute. Don't send me any last minute emails begging for assistance. If you wait that long, I can't help. If you did this on Wednesday and had those same technical issues, I might be able to work with you. But until when it gets to Friday, no go. All right, hopefully that was direct enough that we all on the same page there. Last thing is to check your grades. Grades have been completely updated through Module 10 with the exception of your written assignments. I'm working on those right now. So when you look through this, you'll see your percentage over here on the right hand side. Make sure there's a score for every single one. If you see a 0, make sure you know why that is. Did you not turn it in, or was it turned in late? If it was turned in late and there's still a 0, you may be eligible for partial credit. Remember that there's always 10% deducted per day. If you took a quiz late and you didn't let me know already, I might need to go in and manually change your grade on that item. So take a really close look, check every percentage all the way down. Again, you should see a score for everything up to Module 10. I have not finished the written assignments, but I have finished the discussions and quizzes as well. So hopefully everything looks good. If it doesn't, send me an email. Even if you have a question, if you're not sure, just send me an email. I'm happy to help. All right, so other than that, I wish you the best of luck on your final, and I know that you'll do well. Let me know if you have any questions or if I can help throughout the rest of this week or in the future. You can always reach out. I'm happy to help with any future courses too. All right, I hope you have a great summer break. Thanks.